I'm sorry, my advantage was knowledge applied consistently. Today that knowledge earned me over 100,000 bucks a week and funds multiple properties. I share it all in Telegram through free training and my signals. Join my community and message me. Knowledge wins every time. Price tapped a strong support 3 times. Volume rose slightly, weeks got shorter. That's my signal. Absorption before impulse. The next candle exploded upward and I was already in. Anticipation, not guessing, that's timing.
We are opening a sell trade here right after pullback, going with the trend. Let's highlight the working area. The trend is so strong that the price doesn't even touch the upper downtrend band. We also see the CCI leaving the oversold zone, which confirms our entry.
Trading is not just about copying signals, it's about understanding the logic behind every move. That's exactly what I teach in my free practical strategy session. You will learn how to trade properly, get daily signals, and join a real learning community in Telegram. Hit the link below and start your free session now.
When trading with the trend, the key is to watch the overbought zone. That's where real reversals happen. 20 seconds left, and both trades close easily in profit.
Whenever candles repeat the same behavior 2 or 3 times, I treat that repetition as a high-quality confirmation signal. Patterns gain strength through consistency, not complexity. Repeated behavior lowers uncertainty and increases confidence. That's why I depend heavily on recurring candle actions. There is always a split second where chaos turns into clarity. That's the window I wait for. No rush, no doubt. You can feel it when pressure stops being noise and becomes direction. That instant is invisible to most traders, but that's exactly where I live.
We are opening a buy trade here, watching the ADX dynamics closely. Right now ADX is around 58, which means a trend change is likely coming soon. We also see a touch on the lower band, a new local low, and the CCI leaving the oversold zone, all pointing to an upward move. I'm not expecting a huge impulse, but a small pullback upward should happen. Last few seconds. And yes, the trade closes in profit.
Before clicking, I separate logical setups from emotional impulses. A setup must make sense based on structure, rhythm, and consistency. If I catch myself wanting the trade more than understanding it, I skip it. Logic is the only foundation I trust when taking entries on 1-minute chart. Trading might look easy on videos, but once you start, you realize it's a whole different game. That's why I give you a free practice session and personal guide to help you trade the right way. You will also get daily trading signals and real working strategies in my Telegram channel. Tap the link below and claim your free trading practice today.